So today I'm just gonna teach you how to insert and remove your menstrual cup during your period. So this is the Canuck VV menstrual cup in size small. So we just have to do the punch down fold, ganyan. So hawakan nyo lang siya ng ganyan. Ito yung front part ng organ natin, ito yung butt area. So ito yung butas natin. So patusok yan para mas madaling pumasok. Yan. And then pag dumating na dun sa may bandang dulo dito, push nyo lang siyang ganyan. Yan. There. Kusa na mag-open yung menstrual cup na to kasi very firm tong type ng cup na to. So, i-push nyo lang siyang ganyan to make sure na hindi nyo na ma-feel yung stem masyado. And if you wanna make sure na napasok nyo or nag-open yung menstrual cup to prevent at hindi kayo magli-leaks, i-run nyo lang yung fingers nyo. If open na, it means that you're well protected, and so any blood coming out of the cervix will go through our menstrual cup, especially may suction siya. So, well protected na kayo against leaks. And then, of course, to remove our menstrual cup, if you have long nails, hawakan nyo lang yung tail kasi makakapa nyo yung tail nito. I-wiggle nyo lang siyang ganyan. Yan, until you get the bottom part. And then yun, pinch nyo na siya para mawala yung suction, and then i-pull out nyo na siya. And then, just dump it in. Ganun lang kasimple.